What are the essential quadrilateral properties? Imagine a shape with for sides and for corners. What makes it special? Well, every quadrilateral shares some basic rules that help us understand and identify them easily. First, no matter what kind of four-sided shape it is, the total of all four interior angles always adds up to 360 degrees. So if you know three angles, you can find the fourth by subtracting from 360. Next, quadrilaterals have two diagonals, which are straight lines connecting opposite corners. These diagonals are important because they help us split the shape into two triangles, making it easier to analyze. Another key fact is that the sum of all the exterior angles, which are the angles outside the shape when you extend the sides, also equals 360 degrees. This is true for all quadrilaterals, no matter their shape or size. Now, beyond these general rules, different types of quadrilaterals have their own special features. For example, a parallelogram has opposite sides that are parallel and equal in length. Its opposite angles are equal, and its diagonals cut each other exactly in half. Moving to a rectangle, it keeps all the parallelogram properties but adds that all four angles are right angles, which means they measure 90 degrees. Its diagonals are also equal in length and bisect each other. A square takes it further by having all sides equal and all angles right angles. Its diagonals are not only equal but also cross each other at right angles, dividing the square into four equal right triangles. A rhombus is similar to a square but with all sides equal and opposite angles equal. Its diagonals cross at right angles and bisect each other, but the angles are not necessarily 90 degrees. Kites are shapes where two pairs of adjacent sides are equal. They have one pair of opposite angles that are equal, and their diagonals intersect at right angles. However, only one diagonal gets bisected in a kite. Lastly, a trapezium or trapezoid has exactly one pair of parallel sides called bases. The non-parallel sides are called legs, and their properties help distinguish it from other quadrilaterals. Knowing these properties makes it easier to identify different quadrilaterals and solve problems involving angles, side lengths, or areas. For example, if you know the interior angles add up to 360 degrees, you can find missing angles. Recognizing how diagonals behave in parallelograms or rectangles helps in drawing and measuring shapes accurately. These facts are useful in architecture, engineering, and design, where shapes need to be stable and look good. So, in summary, all quadrilaterals have four sides, for angles that total 360 degrees, and two diagonals. Additional properties like parallel sides, equal sides, right angles, and how diagonals intersect help us tell the shapes apart and understand their structure. These simple yet powerful facts make working with quadrilaterals straightforward and fun.